Did you know that the very thing in your hand right now can change your entire life? Seriously, people of all ages and backgrounds are turning their smartphone into an ATM, enabling them to travel the world and live the lifestyle of their dreams. And the best part is, you can too. And we're going to show you how.
One of the biggest problems a lot of people face is time. Not having enough time for themselves, and the time they do have, they have to trade it for money at a job. What we have here is the solution to having access to more money and time.
Introducing MyEcon, your path to financial freedom and a better lifestyle. We're a BBB accredited with an A+ rating, and were founded by a few entrepreneurs in 2005. Mr. Larry Gates and Alvin Curry came together with a mission to create 1,000 millionaires with MyEcon.
While you can make a great income with MyEcon, which we will explain in just a little how the work-from-home opportunity works, to truly become financially successful, you also need to know what the millionaires know, like leveraging good credit, money managing skills, and MyEcon will share these millionaire strategies with you.
By becoming a member with us, we'll help you give yourself an instant pay raise if you currently have a full-time or part-time job with a simple adjustment to your W-4 tax form. Most households are seeing a pay raise of up to $1,000 or more monthly just for joining MyEcon.
If your credit starts with a 4, 5, or 6, then this part is especially for you. I'm sure you know that buying a home or car, renting, or even getting certain jobs can be difficult if you have a lower credit score. Our MyCredit system can permanently remove hundreds, thousands of dollars worth of debt from all kinds of collections ranging from medical or student loans, even to things like repos, evictions, and late payments that are negatively impacting your credit score.
One of the perks of being your own boss is that with almost everything you're already spending money on, you can be saving in taxes. Introducing MyEcon's Cashflow Manager. The government is already taking out taxes from your paycheck year after year anyhow. The money you're already spending for your travel expenses, a percentage of your rent, phone bill, eating out, attire, and much more can all go towards business deduction, thus reducing your taxes and increasing the money you take home. It's as simple as taking a picture of your receipt for every dollar you spend using the Cashflow Manager app, provided by Econ. Just plug and go. This alone earns Cashflow MyEcon members thousands yearly. This is how the wealthy stay wealthy.
Not only are you making money through the membership that will drastically improve your finances, credit, and lifestyle, but it also allows you to become your own boss and make money from your phone. This is the ultimate package, the income shifting membership.
While this kind of membership would normally cost hundreds of dollars in any similar businesses, with MyEcon, you can gain access to everything within the membership, including our money-making opportunity today for the amount on your screen. Then, just $34.95 per month, starting 30 days after joining just to stay active.
After hearing all the amazing benefits and services you get with MyEcon for such a low price, you're probably thinking this is a no-brainer. But it gets better. Our company will pay you to become your own boss while working directly from your smartphone, no matter where you are, on your own time. And the best part is MyEcon pays you in many ways.
For starters, MyEcon is going to pay you $28 for every person you refer to get the income shifting membership. Think about it. How many people do you know right now that wouldn't mind an instant pay raise at their job of up to $1,000 extra per month in their household? Or maybe they simply want to make some extra cash to improve their lifestyle. And even if you don't think you know that many people, there are 223 million people in the United States alone on social media who, just like you, would love an instant pay raise at their jobs, a better credit score, and just a better lifestyle overall.
And when they get paid for also sharing MyEcon with others, so will you. Matter of fact, this is the second way you make money: override commissions. Anytime anyone in your MyEcon organization gets someone to join and gets their own $28 commission, you earn up to $4.80 just because it happened in your team. Even if you didn't do any work yourself, maybe you're on vacation, enjoying all that extra money, just to see that you got paid anyways because your team is growing on its own. Welcome to financial freedom.
Imagine your new life, waking up at any time of the day from anywhere you're at, logging onto social media to get paid for doing what you're already doing for free, which is as simple as posting and sharing on social media. But this time, about My Econ and your daily life. And on top of that, getting paid for all the people on your team doing the same.
Now, the third way you make money is going to change your lifestyle forever. Every single month, you will receive a bonus check just because people in your team have the membership. For every single person in your organization, you'll get paid up to $9.25 every month for the life of their membership. That's the people you refer, the people they referred, and so on and so forth.
This third way you make money is called Dream Team Residual Income. The great thing about residual income is that it's like a retirement plan. You'll get paid for the work you did one time over and over again. This means you're still gonna get paid even if you take a break to go on vacation and enjoy life. Maybe you get sick and you're unable to work and you lose your job, or even better, you wanna leave your job. You can do so, and your residual income will give you freedom to be your own boss and live on your own terms.
So, to sum things up, My Econ is going to pay you $28 upfront commission for every person you refer, up to $4.80 commission overrides per person for all of your team's referrals, and up to $9.25 monthly Dream Team residual per person for every person in your team. My Econ truly has the ultimate compensation plan that keeps on paying you.
Let's put things into perspective with a hypothetical but realistic example. You spend a couple hours a day sharing My Econ with others online, and you introduce 5 people into your team, and then those 5 people each go and do the same. That's a total of 30 people joining your team in 1 week. You get paid up front the following week for all the people you guys just introduced to My Econ. After doing this for just a year, your residual income would be $14,430 per month for work you and your team did months ago.
Where in the world can you get access to everything we just shared with you on this video? Our income shifting membership, the business opportunity, for less than a tank of gas? A company that has been around since 2005, has an A+ rating and is accredited by the BBB, and has over 80,000 members within the company. What you need to do now is get started by clicking down below.
But before you do, here's some testimonials of current My Econ members and how this company has changed their lives.
My name is Astoria Went. I am so excited about My Econ because it gives people the opportunity to truly change their lives and define for themselves the type of life that they want to live for themselves and for their families. I mean, just look at where we are. We're in Orlando, Florida. We're at this beautiful 25,000 square foot mansion, and it's just a bird's eye view of how the 1% gets to live. And what people don't realize is that it is possible to obtain this lifestyle for yourself as well as your family. It truly is a family affair. My dad was the one that introduced my mother to it, and of course they introduced the principles that this dynamic company teaches to myself and my sister, and we have been some income shifting queens. I absolutely love everything that the company stands for and what they teach Americans about how to get more money, and more importantly, how to make their money work for them.
My name is Greg Napier. I'm from the great state of Ohio, and it is a pleasure to be here talking with you guys. I've been a part of My Econ for 3 years now, and since being with My Econ, my wife and I have cash flowed in excess of $20,000. Yes, I said $20,000. We're here as living testimonies. My Econ is really a great place to be. All of us are participating in My Econ one way or another. You just have to decide what you want to do. It's a wonderful place to be, and I'm happy and ecstatic to be here.
Hey, this is Angela Powerhouse Williams, and My Econ has absolutely changed my life. They provided me with a financial blueprint to master my money. I've been able to cash flow over $325,000 from the comfort of my home. I've been able to increase my credit score to an 820. And because I'm 100% debt free, I was able to build my trading account to over $970,000. That's right, I am knocking at $1 million retirement portfolio. So if you want to change your life and get on the right side of money, just say yes to My Econ, and we will see you and celebrate you. at the top.
Hello everyone, my name is John, and since joining MyEcon, I've been able to cash flow over $2 million. As a matter of fact, I have a tremendous passive income that allows me to get paid even when I'm sleeping. I've paid off tens of thousands of dollars in debt, and I have the best credit score that I've ever had. And MyEcon has allowed me to live the lifestyle that I've always dreamed of.
Hey everyone, this is Alex, and this is my quick testimonial for MyEcon. Thanks to this company, I've been able to take my credit score from a 541 to a 728 within a few short months. I had car repossession that was removed from my credit report, and on top of that, I've actually been able to earn a full-time income, sharing the income shifting membership with other people, helping them fix their credit and helping them give themselves a pay raise. So I highly recommend this company.